Katya, clean up your room, please.
Later.
I'm so dirty. I'm really smells bad.
Don't worry, I will help you. Let's go. Let's start washing. Clean.